A moderately shallow magnitude 5.8 earthquake was reported in the afternoon near Severo-Kuril'sk, Sakhalin Oblast, Russia. According to the United States Geological Survey, the quake hit on Wednesday, March 8, 2023, at 4:03 p.m. local time at a moderately shallow depth of 33.2 kilometers. A second report was later issued by the China Earthquake Network Center, CEIC, which listed it as a magnitude 5.7 earthquake. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology, IRIS, at magnitude 5.8. The German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, at magnitude 6.0, Italy's National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, at magnitude 5.8. The European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, at magnitude 5.7, the Citizen-Seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 5.8.